Good morning and welcome to the virtual assembly for S1, 2 and 3 on Monday the 25th of April. As you'll be aware, the senior pupils are now officially off on study leave. For the first time in 2 years, our senior pupils are being able to sit exams this year, and this is a very, very important time for them. The exams for the seniors start on Wednesday the 27th of April this week, and they will run right up until the beginning of June. So it's really, really important that S1, 2 and 3 pupils are aware that these exams are taking place in school. In the main, we'll be using the games hall for most of the exams, and the street will be out of bounds for S1, 2 and 3 because that is the area where the exam pupils will line up to go into their exams. It will be ground floor only before registration, break and lunch times for all S1, 2 and 3 pupils. You won't be allowed to go upstairs, and there's certainly no food and drink upstairs, only downstairs. The one-way system round about the school will still apply, and you will be able to get to your classes, but some rooms within the main body of the school will be used as exam areas, so you won't be able to walk through some of the corridors as you usually would expect. These will be clearly notified by notices and signage across the school, so you will know where you can go and where you can't go, so that you don't disrupt any of your senior peers who are doing their exams. Remember, it will be your turn very soon to do exams, and we would expect you to be respectful of your senior peers who are getting this chance to sit exams. So at break and lunch times, all the areas on the ground floor will be available to you all to spread out a bit more. So you can use the pupil entrance, you can use the canteen, you can use the sunken social area, and that applies to S1, 2 and 3 pupils. The street will be out of bounds, as I said, because that is an area that is used for the exam pupils to line up to go into the games hall and do the things they have to do prior to sitting exams. So that's really important. So for you, term 4, the term that we're in now, is a really important term. For S1, you're building on the learning that you did in primary school and in your first year so that you can progress with your learning into S2. I heard a pupil once say that S1, 2 and 3 doesn't matter because you do exams when you're in 4th year. Well, they're absolutely wrong. S1 and 2 and 3 really do matter because in these years you're building up the knowledge and the skills and the expertise so that you can build on that to do your exams in 4th year. You need all of the learning because it progresses as you go through. For S2 pupils, you'll be thinking about your subject preferences for S3, and for S3 pupils, you've made your choices for S4. So it's a very important term as you prepare for the next stage in your education. We've got IDL week coming up in May, which is interdisciplinary week, and the theme that we have is a Scotland-China theme because we are a Confucius classroom, which means we've got partnership links with China. So more information about that will be coming out to you soon. For first years, your first year full report will be issued within the next couple of weeks, and you'll have your first year parents' evening, a virtual parents' evening in the month of May. I think it's the 18th of May. So that's coming up very soon, where your parents will get an opportunity to talk to your teachers about your progress. We've also got a maths challenge going on, which for S1 and 2 pupils, which is exciting. And S3, your tracking reports are out this term as well, a bit later this term, but that's an important for you so that you can build upon your S3 progress for your courses in S4. At the beginning of June, on the first Thursday and Friday of June, we have 2 days holidays to celebrate the Queen's Platinum Jubilee, and the change of timetable happens on Monday the 6th of June. So whichever year group you're in now, you'll be moving on to your new timetable for your next year group up on the 6th of June, and that's when our senior pupils return to school as well. So our new 4th years, our new 5th years and our new 6th years will be coming back to school then. And before the summer holidays, we'll have 3 days in the middle of June where our primary sevens get the opportunity to come up for a 3-day visit. So a very, very busy term ahead. Our focus is on the exams, but it's also a particular focus on our S1, 2 and 3 learners, because there's half of the pupils out of school, and we can really focus and home in on you more than we would normally do. Thank you.